Hey guys, welcome to Antonio the Realtor. Today we are going to go into 5526 South Albany to take a look at this newly updated home on the south side of Chicago. And it's 2 bedrooms, 2 baths for $400,000. Without further ado, let's get the property tour started. All right, so we are now inside. So let's get this party started and take a look. Right when you walk in, you're hit with these beautiful floors. They look varnished, they look finished. I love them. They give the whole place an attitude, which I would really appreciate it. When you walk in, you see the fireplace along with the bookshelves, and then of course the stained glass windows. They didn't get rid of them; they kept them, which is really nice. This is very typical to see. You have an archway over there separating the living room from the dining room. I love that. I'm glad that they didn't get rid of it. And of course, you have that up here too. Very, very nice. And believe it or not, that woodwork up here, like these up here, that's expensive. That's something that's been around. That's something that was there for a long time. It's been around for a long time. And to redo those are custom. You would have to get those custom made. So they have can lighting up here. Very nice. LED light, LED fan. Or you know what I mean, LED light, fan. And we're going to walk over here. And we are going to take a look at this profile from this side here. Very nice. Nice living room space. TV is going to go on top of the mantle, if you ask me. Large enough space you can put a really nice couch along the edge over there. Maybe one over here if you wanted to do that. But there's a lot of living space in here. Of course, I would throw an area rug down there to protect the floors. Now I will turn this way. And this is the dining room area. Love the dining room. Again, they have another fan up there with the LED light. Can lights continue. And we'll walk down here to the kitchen. I'll give us a nice little turnaround so that we could see. We get a profile of this here. So we're looking at bedroom, bathroom, and then there's a bedroom in the far corner over there that we'll go take a look at. But I want to give you guys all the angles of this. Really nice profile. Really nice house. So let's go into the first bedroom. Okay. Here is the first bedroom. There's the space. They have LED lighting up there. Fantastic. There is a closet. Okay. On this side. Right. And there is another closet over here on the other side. Okay. 2 closets for the price of 1. Guys, that's enough reason to come down here and buy this place. Okay. Now there is the kitchen. Before we go into the kitchen, we are going to check out the bathroom. Now this mirror that you're going to see on the wall right here is not affixed to the wall. It's kind of just a standalone. You know what I mean? Here is your sink. This sink, believe it or not, it's a shorty. It's a short sink. Normally the sinks are maybe a little bit higher, but it's a nice sink. It's a nice size for the bathroom. You know what I mean? We're looking at the shower now. I do like that, updated. Very nice. Tile looks good. The drains, I'm seeing these style drains in more bathrooms now, in the rehab bathrooms. I am seeing that. And then of course, a space over here for soaps and whatnot. So let's go ahead and let's turn around. Let's walk out the door and go to the next bedroom. We will take a look at the kitchen really quick. Let's come down here. Okay, there's a little space here. There's a deck leading outside to the garage. That's a 2-car garage. Okay, and that's a nice deck that they have out there. Nice size yard, standard size. And then here is the second bedroom on this first floor. Okay, so we're looking at that. Going over here. Nice size. I mean, in here, I would say a twin bed. And if you really wanted to put a full-size bed, you could put it in there, but you're going to lose a lot of real estate over here on this side. But nevertheless, you get a lot of light in here. There's LED lights already as it is in the ceilings. So this place will never be dark. And then that's actually a really nice addition that they have up there themselves. Okay. So now we're looking at the kitchen. So now we're looking at the kitchen. Check this out. Very nice. Of course, the LED lights, can lighting. So let's take a look at this. This is actually interesting. I like it because of how far it comes down from the ceiling down here. And then it kind of leaves you with this panoramic view of the living room and dining room like this, which is really cool. I don't see that often. Here is your stove. And then you have cabinets, of course. Cabinets over here to the right and left. A lot of cabinet space. Clean, very clean. A lot of cabinet space. And then for those of you who are detail oriented and are taking a look at this here, the fact that this is open. This is open because they're doing an inspection. They're going to get past their electrical inspection, and which is all part of being a good home seller. You want to make sure that you cross your T's and you dot your I's. So as far as this kitchen space is concerned, very, very open, very wide. I've been in kitchens where you walk in, you barely have any space. You like got from here to here, and then there's your sink, and then your stove's right here. This is wide. I am, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. You probably put 5 of me across here standing, and you'll be good. And you guys know I'm not small, not a small guy, but nevertheless, let's come around this way. Take a look at the profile this way. This is a bar, by the way. I mean, this chair maybe not the best chair, but still gives you the idea that if you come over here and pop a squat, you can say, "Hey, let me get another what? Glass of milk, another glass of milk." Okay. If you didn't notice, there is your refrigerator right there. Okay. And that space will allow for a larger refrigerator if you wanted to put a larger one in there. And that, of course, right there is a pantry. So let's go upstairs. Hey guys, if you like watching property tours and you want to find out more about buying or selling houses in Illinois or Indiana, do me a favor, subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, and to contact me, my link's in the bio and in the comments down below. But hey, let's get back to the video. Heat rises, so this attic is definitely warmer than that first floor. Okay, this is what you can see first right when you walk in. You come around here, you ask me, this is a really good place to put like your computer for work. It's like a little mini office space. Okay, over here, maybe you put like a little couch right here. You can chill out, relax. Maybe play the guitar if you guys play any music. And if I was to turn this way, okay, this will get you to the other side of the attic. And this, of course, can be a master bedroom if you ask me. Master bedroom. Just there's no bathroom up here, which is fine, but this is space, very good space. And of course, we can see outside from here. Okay, I'm gonna turn this way. All right, we'll take one more walk this way. Very nice, good space. And now we're gonna head to the basement. Coming down to the basement, it is a wide open area down here. Very wide basement. I'm walking all the way to the back wall. Over here, we have a room. Okay. And then this way, we're going to walk this way. Showing off the basement. Nice space. Like if you guys wanted to have a party, this is perfect. This is perfect. I know a certain someone who would look at this basement and say, "Oh, we could have a party there." Hashtag my wife. She would literally say that. And then in here, I like this. You can store your tools in there. Beer, your tools, tequila, beer, and maybe vitamin water if that's what you're into. But a very nice, okay? We'll take a walk over here this way just to give you guys an idea for space. And guys, any of these properties that you see online, me talking about, just about every property can qualify for down payment assistance if you ever wanted to try to purchase a property. There's nothing really holding you back other than qualifications. The house should never really get in the way unless there's a special circumstance. But let me know if you want more information on that. I do have videos on my channel that talk about down payment assistance and everything else. But check this out. Act now, and you get to keep this Panther mirror. There you go. So this looks good. This looks good. So guys, if you like watching real estate content like this and you want to see more videos, just click on a video on the left for more property tours. And I actually might even have property tours on the right, or maybe some educational stuff. But thank you so much for joining me on this tour of this beautiful Southside property in Chicago. And I will see you guys in the next video.